Hello everyone, this is Syed A.H. Madhuri. I am from Karunya University, UR 16 CS 173. Today, now in this video, I am going to say about a single pass assembler, how to use a single pass assembler, how to run it. So, see it firstly. So, description is single pass assembler. You know what is single pass and how to write an object for single. An assembler is a program that accepts an input as an assembly language and produces its machine language equivalent object along with information. So, this is a executive program. We will write a program assembler will convert into linker and it will be executed. So, we will go direct to a program algorithm. So first open and read input file. So we have to write a file before itself and open and read that. If input line has opcode start, so how you know how the machine code instructions will be start. If it is a start, we have to start now. That's why if opcode has show the following. Find if there any operand field after start initialize a LC and like if any operation is there, any operand file is there, so initialize and load into that. Other if there is no value in the operand, set location counter to 0, write input line to the intermediate file. If it is not, if it happens, write that input line to intermediate file. Do the following steps until the opcode is end, like instruction is end. Check the symbol table, like some symbols are there and op table or there symbol table also, so we have to check the symbol table. If the symbol table is not available, then enter that symbol into the symbol table along with the memory address. So memory address should be showed, otherwise the error message will be different. If there is an opcode, like if opcode is not in, if opcode is present in the op table, then increment the location counter by 3. Yeah, like we know every size have ability increment by 3 in yes, that's why. So sorting with the location counter, opcode and operand fields of the corresponding statement to the output field along with the object code. So if opcode is word, increment location counter by 3. If opcode is byte, increment location counter by 1. Size of the byte is 1. So if opcode is a reserved word, increment location counter by the integer equivalent into 3. Reserved word integer equivalent into 3. If there is a no symbol in the operand, then the operand address is assigned to 0. And okay, this is the algorithm. So this is my basic, this is my input I have to give. Based on this, you should write the code. We know how to write this by manually. How to do in this compiler we will see. So first have open I is equal to open input dot text, my input file. Read dot lines input like define function which reads the line. So op is equal to open op table. This is op table, so op table dot text, this is also my file. Read line. So op table as a list, l m n is all thing as variable I have defined as a list, opcode as a list, so object code this is also a list. So now I am giving a line for line in op, for line in, like it will read the line in op table. So op table is called line dot split. This is a inbuilt function for splitting. So update and write in the opcode index 0 and 1. For line in 9, if it is start, yeah, start is equal to line dot split into 2, because see x is equal to, so we are writing into example small value, so it will take 2 bytes. So a dot append, else a dot append short hexa convert into hexa and write from 2 to so increment the size from plus, so x plus 3. For line in e, line is equal to line dot split if length of line is equal to 3, so l dot append line is equal to 0, m dot append line is equal to 1. So if line is equal to 2, so if length of the line is equal to 2, l dot append is equal to this is the blank, so the first part will be blank. So mn will be 0 1, if else it is 1. So for I is equal to start continue, if it is a start op table, if you find in op table x is equal to string of op table, its index will be written, y is equal to string of op table, and m index, the previous index mind to that will be written. So length, now this is like if I give here this is my print h copy for this and all, you will give, no, this is it. Now I will run my program. So this is the output. Thank you friends.